right. Good morning, fourth graders.
Morning. Good morning, fourth graders. All right, greet somebody in your house with an elbow bump, like we've done in the classroom. Elbow bump it. Sharing for today is what did you do?
Hey, turn technology off now, please.
Get outside.
Recording
did you guys do
off.
anything out your house or your yard? And to go along with that, hopefully you went along with the activity that we had on there, which is help take care of your yard. Go outside and pick some weeds. And how many did you pick from the winter and now spring? And there's lots of branches out there. You could go help pick those things up just so it's easier to mow. I know from like our little patio area, and we have some rocks for landscaping. Rocks get somehow into our yard, so it'd be good to go pick those things up too before your parents mow over them. So go outside and pick some weeds or pick up some branches and share with us how much did you do. Anything else, ladies?
No, and hopefully you had a good Mother's Day, celebrated those moms out there.
That's right.
I know we had a good time spending the day with family, so hopefully you guys all did too. All right. Announcements.
All right, so today is Monday, May 11th. Just a reminder, there was that little mix-up with the matrix, so make sure you tune into these morning meetings and we'll kind of keep you updated on what your plan is for the day. But we also sent out an email that kind of explains what we're going to be doing. So make sure to check that email, and it just basically says math's going to be on there. Or on Seesaw. We'll add a little video with it, but if you didn't get a packet or if you're missing pages, go on to Seesaw and you can do the little Seesaw math on there. Or if you just prefer to do it on Seesaw too and you did get your packet, that's totally fine as well. And then there should be some little videos on there as we get into the harder concepts. It's kind of an addition and subtraction and multiplication. So once we get harder, we'll put some videos on there. And then also with reading, there's going to be a couple questions from your packet on there. So go on and answer those. Everybody can do that. But if you were missing part of your reading packet, then definitely go on and at least do the Seesaw. And then, okay, for Classroom Zoom, we are going to be meeting tomorrow at 11 o'clock. So hopefully everybody can make it. We had a really good turnout last time. I bet half of the kids, if not a little bit more, were there. So it was super awesome to see everybody and get to talk to everybody. So hopefully some more of you can make it on for our Zoom. It'll be at 11 o'clock tomorrow. So check your parents' email for an invite. Just a reminder, there's free lunch and breakfast available every day from 11:30 to 12:30. And then at the bottom there is our information on how to get a hold of us. So
Perfect.
I am recording.
All right. And here's our must-do, may-dos for today.
All right, so for reading, you guys are going to read the next 2 chapters. We're doing 2 chapters a day on this last 4 weeks here. So read chapters 19 and 20, and then complete the cause and effect page in your packet. So in your packet, I'll have this uploaded on Seesaw, this exact same page. So if you don't have the packet, like Mrs. Schwartz was saying, that this activity is on there. But it is where you have to pick 3 story events, and you fill them in the boxes on the left-hand side of your page, and it shows an arrow that points to your right. And then what were the effects? So because of that story event, what was the effect or the result from that specific event? So pick 3 from the book. It does not have to be from chapters 19 to 20. It can be from any part of the book. So chapters 1 through 20, your choice.
Awesome. For math, we are doing week 7. So make sure you're on week 7 in your math packet. This is going to start with day 5. So day 5 is multiplication. The activity is on Seesaw. There isn't a video to go with multiplication. So if you're struggling with it, you can give us a call or email us. But then when you're finished, do a freckle fluency, and then you're done.
All right. For may-dos, there is one small change again for the matrix. So on your matrix, if you have it on the paper one, it has Mr. Phillips' Tuesday's activity on our Monday. So obviously we're going to wait to do Mr. Phillips' activity for tomorrow. So what I did was I put the social studies to start with today. So today, read about the Southwest region, and if you don't want to read it on your own, you'd rather listen to it, I will have that on Seesaw for you. And then you can complete the study guide by Friday this week. So you have the whole week to finish the study guide and to read it. And then Friday we'll come back together and we'll talk about the social studies assignment, okay? So then on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we'll do the science activities for Mr. Phillips. So if you have any questions about that or are a little confused, just contact one of us and we'll explain it. But for today, just get started on social studies if you'd like to. And then for social emotional needs or activity, give out some compliments today. Give out like 5 compliments today. It feels good to do that once in a while. And then for music, for Mrs. Tharp, hum a song to a friend or family member. Can they guess the song? That's a fun one. And then for Phi Ed, muscular strength today with the arms. Hold arms straight out to the side. How long can you last? Challenge someone in your home. I know we've done that activity before, so let's see if you can hold them up there longer than you did last time. You do that. All right.
Sounds good.
We're going to end our morning meeting with not a joke and not a riddle, but 3 weird fun facts. The first one, it is impossible for most people to lick their elbow. Try it. I can't do it. I tried it.
Can't do that.
I can't do
I'm sure
that.
there's some people out there that can, but. And then this is also, I eat a lot of shrimp, so this was kind of caught my eye. A shrimp's heart is in its head. Interesting.
Hmm.
Mhm.
Hmm.
And number 3, it is physically impossible for pigs to look up into the sky. I suppose that makes sense because their little necks, like they can't lift their heads up. So I thought those are kind of fun little weird fun facts. So on that note, yes, have a great Monday. And let us know if you have any questions. And we look forward to Zooming with you tomorrow.
Yes. Hopefully you guys can make it.
All right.
Bye, guys.
All right. Bye.
Bye.